Hey Mark, you reached out to me this morning. Is everything okay?
Hey Alex, I hate to bother you, but I was wondering if you could do me a favor.
Of course, Mark. What's up? Just so you know, I don't have much money right now.
I know, and I appreciate that. You remember I've been living with my parents, right? They're getting older and can't work anymore.
Yeah, I remember you telling me about your living situation with your parents and siblings.
Well, they need a lot of support now, and I have to cover many expenses.
I get it. So, what's going on?
I've been putting aside money for years, but I recently had to use it all up. I need about $500 to sort out some urgent matters.
I understand. If I can help, I will. Just know, I have some money in my bank account. But I really can't afford to part with it right now.
I totally get your situation, but my parents are in a tough spot. I need to come up with money for their medical expenses. Also, my car broke down last month, and I've been relying on taxis to get around.
I know things are tough for you, but I can't just come up with $500 on the spot.
Please, Alex, it's an emergency. My parents' health is deteriorating, and I need to buy their medication. Plus, I have to deal with my car situation and some other expenses. I'm at my wit's end here.
I sympathize with your situation, but my financial situation is tight too. I can't just come up with that much money.
Without that money, I can't sleep, focus at work, or even afford a proper meal. I'm afraid I'll get sick if I can't cover my expenses, including medical bills. If I can't find a solution, I might need to sell off my car and maybe even our house.
Alright, I understand the urgency. I'll lend you the $500. But promise me you'll pay it back.
You're a true friend, Alex. I promise, I'll pay you back as soon as possible. And don't worry, I'll pay you back the money without fail.